Alan, in your opinion, what's wrong with male and female dynamics today?
I think the biggest thing, it's actually how the man is showing up in the relationship. And all of the depolarization which is happening in relationships is because men are not understanding how to truly embrace their masculinity. And the problem today is men are hearing two different sides. It's like the deeply spiritual feminine side of express your emotions, and it's like the Austin, Texas ayahuasca spiritual dude, which is soft. Or on the other side, it's like the Andrew Tate, David Goggins, I don't feel anything, I have no emotions, shut up, get the job done. And so there's not this real integrated balance for a man. And so I think this creates the problem in a relationship, is that men aren't understanding how to come from deep, true masculinity in himself. And that's ultimately brought about as he steps into more courage in his daily actions, when he speaks his truth in his relationship dynamic, and when he aggressively goes for what he wants. When a man steps into this energy, completely changes the relationship dynamic and the way men and women interact together.